Hello and welcome to the solution for OSINT plus cryptography challenge number 3. This time we have an image and an encrypted text. So this is good, we don't have any hidden challenges. The cryptography part is right here. The encrypted text is part of an iconic speech. So is the picture above. Your task is to find out the title and authors of both speeches. In which year did both these authors meet each other? There is also a hint. The encrypted text can also be decoded through this script. When looking for a key, remember the challenge's title. You can do this two ways. You can first figure out what this image is and then move on to the text. Or you can do it the other way around. I would like to solve the text first. For that, let's look at this script. This is a GitHub repository. I have created this specially for the OSINT plus cryptography challenges. Let's look at challenge_3.py. The .py signifies that this is a Python file. This is the main function. The def keyword means function in Python. This function takes two arguments, the string and key. This is a comment explaining what this code does. So this is the main function where most of the code lives. Inside the main function, the first thing we do is initialize an empty variable called decoded_string. Now we enter a loop. This loop takes every character, char, whatever you call it, in the given string and performs some operations on the string. What is the operation? Well, first it takes the character and turns it into the odd data type. In simple Python, you cannot XOR a character with a number without turning the character into an odd data type first. There are Python libraries to make this simpler, but I'm using simple Python, so that is not possible right now. It takes every character, turns it into an odd, XORs it with the given key, then turns the result again into a character. So the result will be a number in integer form. It will turn it into a character, so it is human readable. Then it joins the character in the empty string. So when the loop completes, you get a full string. Now the function returns the decoded string. Okay, that is good. Then we enter a try except block. This block is used to mitigate errors while code execution. We then create a variable called string and then we ask the user for input. Enter the string to decrypt. The user will input some strings here and then Python will convert the input into a string, the str data type. Then we ask for a key. The input will be enter the key and then Python will convert this into an integer. Then there is a flag variable where main function is called with the given string and key. Then we print the flag, meaning we just display it on the console. Then there is except block, except value error. Value error happens when Python gets a different input than it was supposed to get, meaning it was supposed to get an integer but it got a string, so that can happen. If we are supposed to enter a number but we entered a character like HE, that is not an integer, that will be value error. When that happens, Python will print an error message, error, the key should be a number, try again. Okay, got what the code does, what the script does. Let's go back to the repository. So to run this script on our computer, I will first copy this link Then I will open up a terminal. Then I will type git clone. This has cloned the script into the folder OSINT_crypto. Let's go in that folder. Then run our challenge 3.y. It is asking for the string. Go back here, copy the string and paste it. Now we need a key. What did we learn from the script? The key is a number, it's an integer. Then we have this hint. When looking for a key, remember the challenge's title. Challenge title is OSINT plus cryptography, challenge number 3. There is only one integer in the title, 3. Let's type 3 and it works. We have a sentence which makes sense, so this should be it. Sentence is, with this faith we will be able to hew out of the mountain of despair a stone of hope. Before I run this in Google and try to figure out what speech this is, I want to show you how to solve this without the script and with just open source tools. Let's go to Cyber Chef. Now in the script we saw that the operation being performed on the characters is XOR. Let's search for XOR. Okay, here we have it. We need a key. Paste the input. Enter the key and we get the same result. Now let's Google this. Now this is part of I Have a Dream speech by Martin Luther King Jr. It is actually Martin Luther King Jr. Martin Luther King is a different guy. So we got part of the answer for the first question. It is the speech I Have a Dream and the author is Martin Luther King Jr. Now figure out the image. Search image with Google. And the first answer is correct. It is Jawaharlal Nehru's Tryst with Destiny. We got the answer for the first question. This image is Jawaharlal Nehru's speech Tryst with Destiny, and this is I Have a Dream speech by Martin Luther King Jr. Now let's find the answer for second question. Or type Jawaharlal Nehru Martin Luther King Jr. meeting. This is it. They first met on February 18th, 1959. So the answer for second question is 1959. This is it. This was pretty easy, but I wanted to talk about Python and how you can use scripts to solve cryptographic encryptions, challenges. I hope this was fun. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.